Yo!
Hey. Come on. Come over here. Girl, come over here.
Yo.
Okay.
Yo, what's up, homie G's? You hanging out with M and B at the HEB. Come along on the ride, 'cause you might find your bride. We kill them pimples with Clean and Clear. We also have a blue best friend named Kabir. You know us so well not to like Proactiv, and just by doing this we look so attractive. Blackheads annoy us every day, but that don't get in the way of saying hey.
Never join us
After a meal, just think of it as deal or no deal. Oh, y'all just got pwned.